Good morning, Judd here. I was getting ready to chip, but I've got one more branch to do up there. That big one there coming out in this direction, gotta get that out of there. One more big chop, and then I can start chipping all this. A friend brought me over a chipper to borrow, and it's brand new, so I guess this will be a good break-in for it. I think I got enough chip in there. And that's just one of my piles. Anyway, we gotta get everything on this corner taken off. Actually, I'm not taking off that really big one. I'm taking off this one that's coming out of it. Anything heading over towards this way is going to go. That's going up enough that I can leave that okay. I also want to get all this stuff that's hanging down in here. This is all vines and everything. Hit all that stuff. So that's the plan for today. Kind of nice out today. We've been cold all week, but today it's 75 out here. Pretty nice. Nice sunny day. Looking good. And my body's a little better today. So it takes me a few days to recover from one of these work days. So hopefully I can get some stuff done today, because I got a lot of stuff to get done. Sitting on the porch recovering. I'll spend the next few days recovering, but one thing I just wanted to point out, that lifting that heavy extended chainsaw up, killer on my stomach muscles. I mean, severe pain in my stomach muscles. And I use the term stomach muscles loosely. I don't have any muscles, but I got enough there to hurt. Very interesting. Okay, now I gotta get a different saw and trim off my palm trees over there. And the stupid tree that's growing there that's got no business growing there. But for right now, we're taking a break. Okay, during my brief break, I realized I can still use the same saw. I can do this with the chainsaw. Why the hell not? Yeah. Now the thing about these palm trees, these are silvestri palms, and these are weaponized. And if you get in too close to cut them, you're going to get yourself stabbed. You see how these needles, these are incredibly sharp and very hard. And these would make great spear points. I mean, they are solid little mothers. And I've been hit by a few. And if you walk around in here or run your lawn tractor over that shit, that's going to puncture your tires without question. I've done a lot of tire patching before I learned that one. You got to be a little careful when trimming silvestri palms. If you have trouble remembering the name, he's the guy who wrote the music for Lilo and Stitch. The original one, the good one, the animated one, not that garbage remake. Alan Silvestri. So that's how I remember this is a silvestri palm. And it'll stab you. Just like his music, it'll go right to your heart. I had both of these planted, and this one's doing fine. That one's been struggling since the beginning because the ground over there is just terrible nutrient-wise. The guy before me used to bury all his trash over there, so there's all sorts of crap under that ground. I dug a lot of it out and filled, but you know, that didn't leave much. Just dead sand and some trash remains. Anyway, so that's why, you know, when I chip that all up, that'll all stay there. Maybe get some nutrients back in the ground. You can see my bamboo trees doing nice. Now I just got to trim off a couple of weed trees that have been growing along my fence. Another thing I recently learned is you store these with the blade up so the oil doesn't leak as much. You store them blade down, all the oil runs out. If you lay them blade up, when you store them, it doesn't leak as much. It still leaks a little bit, but not as much. Happy day to you.